hide your application on iPhone. I love this.
Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to hide your application. To hide your application, first of all, you go to your settings, come to your screen time over here, then you come to content and privacy restriction, come to content restriction. Okay, let me put my password because I lock all my app. Then you come to application where you see app, click it and you put don't allow. Now if you go back, you see that all your application is hidden. You see it, everything is hidden. You can't see any of my application. Now if you want to put it back, go back there and you click allow all. Once you click allow all, you see that all your application will be back. You see, everything is now back. So if you find this video helpful, kindly follow and subscribe. Thank you.